How do you know when to repair or replace equipment? The decision to repair or replace equipment should be based on minimizing the total cost of the equipment to the business over its remaining lifetime. There are a number of factors to take into consideration when deciding whether to repair or replace equipment, which we've broken down below. This repair or replace has millions of parts, supplies and equipment, with technical specs, pricing, white papers, manuals and tools, for maintenance professionals.